What's good, yeah, boys? It's your boy Rocky. Back with another banger, you feel me? Another day, another dollar. At the mechanic right now. They had a exhaust for sale. I'm gonna see if they still saying the same price. If not, I'm gonna just save my money. If not, if they are, I'm gonna just, you know what I'm saying? Do what I gotta do. Do what I gotta do. Oh, I was finna get it cut, but you know what I'm saying? Can't show y'all that. Oh man, if they still selling it and they do it fast, do exhaust system. But if not, we're gonna wait. You feel me? Do you feel me, chat? That boy Ken pulling up with sin. I'm gonna see what they say, bro. If they say the same price, bro, we lit. If not, we not lit. And I'm gonna just save my money, put my money in my pocket. But that's how it is, man. Ooh, that X clean. That look like, bro. But yeah, man, I'll catch y'all in the final. Yes, sir. I can't even do it before and after, cause like it's gonna make the car hot, right?
Huh? Hello?
Oof, oof. Beautiful, beautiful. Hey man, this the before. Before. You recording?
No. Hey, do it again.
Again? First start.
It's a sleeper.
Sounds good. Hear it, bro.
It don't sound like those
I know.
exhaust pipes and
It
shit.
sounds
Like,
good.
it sounds mean. That's still an exhaust.
They stepped out, that's it? Huh? Think you famous yet? Tried it out.
I got ops, nigga. You tripping?
What ops, bitch?
I got drum man ops.
Black ops, bitch?
You think he's Sandani, bitch? That's that nigga that dangerous, bitch. Shit talking about I keep guns around me because the people I hang out with. Hell no, I don't get it. I'm not gonna run violence, nigga. What you work, bro?
Wait, where the food place you at? Shut up, bro.
About in the garden.
Man, that bit deep, huh?
I heard.
The food good over there?
That bitch straight.
What they sell? Like burgers?
Like ribs and stuff.
Oh, that's our food truck. What's good with you, bro? If I come and break your car even more, Jen, rip off that bumper.
Chill out, man.
Ugly.
Chill out. I'm gonna take your
Take my what?
I'm gonna take your exhaust, nigga.
Take my what? Take my exhaust?
Bro.
Yeah, alright.
I'm gonna take your exhaust,
You
nigga.
ain't taking nothing.
Bro, we got
You ain't taking nothing, bro.
Take your exhaust, nigga.
You ain't taking nothing, bro.
Late night, VR. Skirt. I just got here. Zoom.
Come on, come out. How you go ahead? Pop. Ugly.
Y'all be gone, man. Bro. Shut that bill. Hey, come on.
News came in last night. News came in this morning. Breaking news. Man tries to steal exhaust. Get shot.
Hey, get the jet right up my car. And got all my tools.
You said man tries to steal car.
Man tries to get Star. Armed man comes outside and shoots him to death. Oh god.
1, 2, 3.
He cuts his head off with a machete.
What color is on there? Red be wet.
It's red.
Hey, why not just plug the diffuser in first?
Shut up, bro.
Why
Red.
not just put the diffuser on first? Red, black, and white.
Cause the light could go regardless. Yeah, red, black, and white. Cause the light could go in regardless. You feel me? You feel me? You feel me?
Just the plug right here.
I wanna see how that bit looks. Check my rims. I'm on fire rims, booty jet. And nasty at 2.7.
Alright, how you gonna put that there?
What, the diffuser?
Yeah.
Just slap it on there. Like that.
How you gonna slap it on it, nigga? Oh, where did? Oh. You got your screws?
I mean, he don't need to do nothing. I'm drilling it.
Oh,
Wait, so why I'm gonna put the cord?
under the car.
So leave it down like this?
So once you put in the drill, I mean not drill. So you gonna. So since. Hold on, you gotta poke a hole on this.
See? So I'm asking
You gotta poke a hole.
Go.
You need something.
You got something.
You got a blade in mine.
The drill. Cut off his hands, man. Kenny, where the wire gonna go? Under?
Yeah, see me shit he did it.
I just told you that. What? I just told you
That's not what
that.
he said.
I did. That bitch said go. I said that bitch gonna go under, nigga.
That's not what you said. You was being retarded. What up?
Alright, bro,
What screws up? I'm joking, bro. What screws up?
You got it, nigga.
I didn't. Kenny took
Ain't the
it.
thing. Where you left them at?
Yeah, but I'm saying what I think of.
It was right there.
Zoom.
Let me get that. It's recording.
Oh, for real?
Yeah. Let me get this. Damn, bro.
No, wait. Get the cord. Put it inside.
First?
Yeah, just put it inside.
Under a bit.
You gonna see the hole.
Watch out.
Ah, these things look clean. Yo, this is awesome.
You see the hole?
Grab it.
I need that toe hook thing, bro.
Alright, now you can put this
For the engine support.
Hold it all the way.
Yeah, that happy. They finally not blocking them up.
That's the second time. What did you like?
You know where the drill at?
I said. No.
You don't know?
Just hold it.
How many?
Okay.
How many?
Do the top first, then the bottom?
Now do the bottom first.
Nah, the top will make more sense. Cause it's not gonna be. If we do the bottom, it's not gonna be right. The top will be first.
How many screws you got?
Do this right here in the middle first.
So we need 5 screws. So
You
we're
say
gonna
how
do 1, 2,
many
3.
screws you got?
Really?
I got a lot.
All you need is like 3.
3. So 1 on the top right here.
1 and then 2 points. And then 2 at the bottom.
That's fine.
Oh, yeah.
You tripping, bro? I'm like, what?
I don't know, bro. I'm hungry, man.
I ain't tripping.
That's
fine. Shut up.
But so this one gonna be silver then, bro.
Which one?
Cause the other one I ain't sprayed yet.
This guy. I thought you put all of them in that thing.
Ah, oh, that's all of them.
I just use the black one on top.
Use that.
So it don't matter. Damn, bro.
Shit, send it, bro.
God damn, bro. You screwed it.
Down south got everything.
Screwed the diffuser. How we looking? How we looking? Then we got the then we got the red STILLEN with the tip, with the black tip. Oh man.
I'm trying to slide to Miami.
You look like a Miami, bitch.
If you put in gas.
What? She gonna be trying to drive manual the whole way, no gas.
Who, me?
Yes,
Taking your car.
You can't get in the passenger side.
Huh?
You can't
I'm gonna get through the back, bro.
We can all go together. I could drive.
Your car?
Yeah.
All right, let's go.
Alright, come on.
Nah.
You got all the gas money.
We could go tonight.
Hell nah.
Did you don't want your bumper? It's only 3 hours. 3 hours there,
That
3
thing
hours
look
back.
nice.
Come back, man. Just trying to sleep in Miami.
Cause they selling all type of bumpers over there, bro. It's that one nigga, bro.
The fusing on there, man. We got the exhaust, bro. The exhaust look good under there. Oh my. Look at, like, the pipes is low-key clean.
Silly, yeah. His head, bro. Alright, man.
That's why I look.
Don't fuck with that.
Jay, my fault. Not my fault, you Mac Jet. Ugly.
I'm mad. Yeah, I'm mad. But you know, you come back stronger.
That bit. Oh, that bit clean, bro. Look at the view. Oh, look at the view of the baby, bro. That bit dirty. You need a wash, but you know. Rev it, rev it.
We don't care.
That'd be Bedoma. That'd be hard, man. That'd be sound just like your car, man.
Put your foot on the brake.
Oh, you don't got your lights on.
They want me to go. Like, I am going.
Sound good.
What's wrong with going like this? I'm just gonna go get the drugs.
As soon as that gut finish
We step over here. What?
Bro, my double coat got better downstairs.
He said his double coat got better, don't you?
The baby, man. I just heard it. And I hope y'all enjoyed the video, man. But we just finished off the video, just did some little clips for y'all. Me, I just added the diffuser with the new exhaust. I hope y'all could hear it clearly. I wasn't recording, but yeah. And if not, I'm gonna just throw some phone clips in there. But y'all see it, man. Y'all see it, bro. I hope y'all like, subscribe, and comment what y'all want to see next, bro. It's your boy Rocky, and we out.